Sure to cook.
Welcome back to another episode of Be Sure to Cook. And today we're going to be making a chicken corn tortilla. All right, I've got my pan on a medium heat and I'm going to add about a teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil. Okay, I got some chopped garlic to start adding my sauce. And I want to thin side down. So Mrs. Dash, blend some paprika, just a little bit of paprika, sprinkle a little bit on there, a little of garlic powder, and some pepper. And that is just frying up in that little teaspoon of onion that I had wrapped up and put up. And I'm just going to use this half of an onion. I'm going to just cut it into quarters. Putting all these over, and letting that garlic and everything. And we're going to go ahead and season the other side just as well as we did the other one. So I'm going to cover this until the chicken is completely covered. All right, I've cut it up a little bit of green pepper, which I'm going to also add into my pot. Tomato that I had when I was making something earlier. I'm going to cut this and dice this up. Don't forget to put a bay leaf inside your chicken. It's a whole bay leaf. All right, I've got a can of enchilada sauce that I purchased. So with this enchilada sauce, I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna pour it into a pan. A half a clove of garlic. If you have a chopped garlic, just add, you know, just a corner of a teaspoon of it. Ooh. Then I'm gonna pour a little of this in here. All right, for the cilantro that I'm going to be using. Okay, let's check on our chicken here. It's been cooking away for a good while. About peppers. They're nice and soft, but not soft enough. Like I said, it's not done yet. I'm just gonna check it. And we got our onions in here. Take this out, and I'm gonna put this chicken into a little pan. Okay, so I got it like this, and this looks pretty good. Guess what, guys? I'm gonna wash up because this is gonna go back into the pot and cook again. Okay, I got this fajita mix that you can get in any kind of. You could go to your local store and you can get the fajita mix. Exactly what I was looking for. Make sure I get all of this out. Taking a whisk, and I want to smooth this out of that wonderful deep, rich chicken stock that I have had. And I'm going to mix some of this in here, and I'm just going to smooth this out. A big thing of minced jar garlic. I'm going to add a can of diced tomatoes with lime juice and cilantro. In my garlic pan it goes. I need all. That's this. This is all good. Remember I said I need that cup of that good stock that I put in? Yum. Okay. And all this gets mixed together. It's gonna be delicious. That's that fajita sauce there. We're gonna pour that inside there. Okay, now that I have this together and it's just now getting good and ready. Remember that chicken we did? We're just gonna dump all that chicken right on in here. This is my little metal bowls. I love these things. Turn this up and let's let this boil away. Okay, right after I cook it, I strained some of the juice. It was a lot of juice, but we need that juice. I'm gonna add this chicken back here. I know it looks like a lot. Oh, that's too much. This is exactly what we want, along with the other sauce that we did. hot chicken here. I have a corn tortilla, and I am going to dip it. Oh, okay. Dip it inside here. This is that juice that I had got, and I'm gonna strain those. So make sure there's nothing on it. I'm gonna put it on a microwave plate. I'm gonna do two of these. If you don't like that it's on here, oh, these are real thin and try to break up on you. Ooh, they are breaking up on me. Okay. All right. That was kind of broke up. Okay. Let's get some flavor on it. Microwave it. Okay, then I'm gonna add some of this chicken in the middle. Not too much. Maybe be stuffing it. Good on chicken. If you don't want the sauce on it, you don't have to have the sauce on it. All you got to do is fix it the way it is. I'm going to add a couple of some cheese on here. And this is a Mexican style blend cheese. A little bit of that. A little bit of crumbled feta. Just a little bit of crumbled feta. Mmm. Not a lot. Feta's like really super strong to me. And wonderful tomatoes. Yes, that I got. Hmm. Okay. What we're going to do is we're going to fold these together and we're going to put them on our plates. This is a microwave plate. And I'm adding a little, I got the fiesta cheese and I'm adding a little bit of this Mexican cheese. And then to top this off, you could do a little of the sour cream on top. Just a little. And this is that a gaba daisy. And it's really thick. Yeah, a gaba daisy. I got the big one. Okay. So that is your tacos. Microwave them. It's best to put the meat in first. You want to take the sauce them up, drain it, put the meat in, and put all your stuff, put your meat in, and then you want to microwave them. And then you want to add your cheese toppings or all that. Or you want to that. Then what we're going to do is we're going to add a little cilantro, and we're going to add some tomatoes. Then we add a little tomatoes to the side of your plate, make it look appetizing and very, very pretty. There we go. And there you go, guys. That is the delicious tacos, not tacos, corn tortillas, and our beautiful Bolano peppers. So there you go. Chicken corn tortillas and Bolano peppers. And there you go. And I hope you enjoyed this, guys. I hope you come back again. We'll make another wonderful dish. Oh, wow. This was so tiresome. It takes a long time to make. But I enjoyed making it because I want to make this great dish for you. You all come back. See you next time. Bye.